If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Meow!
Boy, if you don't...
I'm not saying meow like I'm trying to be a cat, but there's a group called Meow. They came up with a song called Hands Up. I heard that some people compared it to like Shakira's World Cup song. It's a pre-release. I see. I think I've heard already like choruses from like TikTok, so I kind of understand what it sounds like already. But let's check out Meow. Interesting beginning beat too. Okay. Oh. You ever played that game before with like a pencil? I feel like I'll only accidentally like stab my finger once. But I was so good at this game. Wait, what? Was he holding it with one finger? He was literally holding it with one finger. Oh my god, the strength. Okay. Huh? Oh, what is that position? Oh. Oh, they got okay powers. No, I heard this. Hands up! What? Interesting. Oh, this is trippy. Oh, she gonna flick my forehead? Oh, the kitten like cat paws with meow on it, and the nails are crazy. Oh, this is trippy. Interesting edit too. Simple edit, but it's pretty dope. Oh! Oh, she walking. Ooh, okay, sir. Oh. Ooh, okay. Yeah. It has so much Bollywood vibes in the chorus. I could see that too, yeah, for sure. That upbeat is kind of crazy too. I like it. Like boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Paper versus scissors. Oh, they're going against kids? What? Hands up. Who is this kid? Who is this kid? Hands up. Oh, what are they playing? What is that game? Ooh. What game is that again, chat? Do we know? Hold up, wait a second. What the hell? That switch up has got me chills. What the f? Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, with that bass. Ooh. Woohoo! Okay, here we go. Oh, you think the game is called Go, right? Yeah. Ooh, wait, hold up. I missed the part, I think. Ba 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 bow 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 bow. Ooh, good ending. Oh! Heads up, meow, Black Label. Okay, this is a lot better than I thought. I feel like based on like what everybody's been saying, they were like saying it's cool, but I like this a lot more. I don't know. I like this a lot more, especially that ending. That was fire. That little transition ending, that was dope. All right, meow, hands up for real. I got my hands up. Got my hands up.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.